I'm David with Rapid Materials. Today we're going to talk about the Perkeo Soldering Iron. So this is a Perkeo Soldering Iron. This is a traditional type soldering iron that features an open flame and a copper element. And the copper element can be changed for other styles. They have a wedge shape and a small diamond. The Perkeo Soldering Iron features a removable tip. It comes pre-assembled with an iron rod. You can set it in, adjust it. The closer you are to the flame, the hotter the iron tip is going to be. Most parts on this iron are replaceable. The orifice is replaceable. There's a filter in the body, it's replaceable. Of course, the tips are replaceable. The handle's insulated, works real well. And it also has a built-in pressure regulator. So pretty much self-contained, very traditional, works very well. The Perkeo Soldering Iron is affordable, high quality, manufactured in Germany. We keep them in stock. We can get them to you within 2 or 3 business days in most cases. For more information about the Perkeo Soldering Iron, visit rapidmaterials.com or our YouTube channel.